Hi, I'm Stephen Biggs from Orac UK, and this is the next of our FAQ series. And today's big question is, why choose Orac? Before we do that, let's look at how technology has changed how we travel. Do we still want to use old traditional solutions? Back in the Victorian times, there were artisans on every street corner, and they would get together some plaster, they would get together some sacking, and they would create a very primitive mould in horrible working environment and create this, a plaster coving. Can you see the sacking on the back of this? Can you see the inconsistent finish? I mean, it's not too bad, don't get me wrong. It's not too bad, but it's heavy. And if I was to drop it on solid ground, it would shatter into pieces. If it got wet, it would be ruined. In the 1970s, along came Orac, and we started to produce man-made materials. So here is one of ours, and that is tough. Unlike the plaster product, it's already got a coat of primer on it. And you can see, I mean, I'm not the strongest man in the world. I can lift that with one hand, no trouble. Everything's in 2 metre lengths and easily installed. And also delivered to your door within 2 to 3 days if you order on the internet. So what else can I show you? Well, this is a standard 2 metre length here. Let me show you. 2 metre length. Can you see consistent finish? Any DIY person can fit it or use your chippy on site. And what we're talking about now is a product that can be fitted and installed, maybe anything up to 80 or 90 metres by one man in a day. Go back to the old plaster product which I showed you earlier. This product is something that needs 5 years of training to fit. It's a bit messy, you can't really do it with carpet on the floor. It will possibly damage, you'll break your back if you were trying to fit it yourself, or you'd need 2 or 3 people and you might fit 20 or 30 metres a day. Don't know what you choose, but I think I would go for the modern materials. Thank you for watching. Bye.